The muscular system. We have over 650 muscles in the human body. 40% of that is made up of muscle. Our muscles flex and extend and work together through synergy. This is the ability of one side of the muscle to work and then the other side of the muscle to work. All muscles are connected to the bones through tendons, allowing them to move around the joints. The muscular system is absolutely amazing. It helps our movement from our brain to our fingertips, to flexing our muscles, to moving our toes. The muscle fibers are layers and layers of different types of tissues. We have different types of muscles depending on the type of action that those muscles are doing. We have smooth muscles that are very important for our soft tissues and organs like the digestive system and the respiratory system. We have skeletal muscles that connect to tendons that help move the bones, and we have cardiac muscles that help with our heart. Each muscle system that operates together also operates independently. Each muscle fiber has the makeup of small, tiny elements of cells that combine together to make bigger elements called muscle fibers. Each section is wrapped within tissue and connected through connective tissue. As the muscles work together, they either fire all together as one, or they don't fire at all. This communication within the cells and within the tissue has everything to do with a contraction or a flexion. So if you think about flexing your muscles, there's hundreds and thousands of tissues that are working together to flex that muscle. So if you flexed your bicep right now, there is a signal that is being sent from the brain through the spinal cord and all the way to the tissue to make that respond. All of these are initiated through a type of cell called a motor neuron. This is like a tiny brain that controls the muscle fibers. It is different than a thought. It is a muscle contraction. We also have muscle types. So we have slow twitch muscle fibers and fast twitch muscle fibers. This is going to be the difference between endurance, which is a long-term type of contraction, or short, fast, quick responses. The sensation or the different feeling that you would have between a slow twitch muscle fiber and a fast twitch muscle fiber is all dependent upon the types of activities that you're doing and the muscles that you're using. Generally, most of us have an even amount of slow twitch muscle fibers and fast twitch muscle fibers. A really great way to understand the fast twitch muscle fibers are when you're running really fast or you're sprinting, and then maybe your calves get tight or you feel the burning sensation. You wouldn't be able to sustain this muscle contraction for very long because it does not operate the same way as an endurance or a slow twitch muscle. This would be the equivalent of running for a really long time versus a fast, quick response within the tissue. Our body is incredible, and as we learn more about the different types of fibers and tissues, we are going to go deeper into how we can fuel those tissues and recover, making sure that our tissues within our system operate for longer periods of time and last us throughout our lifetime. When we work out, we break down the tissues and create small little tears within the fibers. This is actually a good thing, and it is the sensation of soreness. There are other things that can cause muscle soreness as well, and that's something that we know and understand as lactic acid buildup. This is another type of energy that comes into our system to help us complete the action that we are requiring from the body. Over time, as you go through this journey with us, you will learn more about the breakdown in the tissue, and you will repeat so that you can understand and remember all there is to know about the muscular system.
Yeah.